Geojit BNP Paribas, leading the changes in the capital market.
As honest as the broker was how honesty was referred to in the 1800s. Over a period of 200 years, the opposite had become the norm. During the 1980s, the capital market was in an unorganized state and was dominated by sub-brokers and small brokers who managed both cash assets and securities of investors. There was a compelling need for a firm that could provide honest services to the investors. It was in this context that Geojit made its entry into the capital markets. In 1986, C.J. George became a member of Cochin Stock Exchange while he was working for a leading stockbroking firm. In 1987, he, along with his friend Ranajit Kanjilal, set up C.J. George & Company in Kochi, which in 1988 became Geojit & Company by combining the names of the two founding partners. In 1993, Ranajit Kanjilal retired from the firm. Geojit went on to expand to the other parts of Kerala as well as Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra. K. M. Matthew, Malayalam Manorama, inaugurated the Kottayam branch. In 1994, the company was registered as a public limited company by the name Geojit Securities Limited, and it became one of the first corporate broking firms in the country. In 1995, KSIDC decided to partner with Geojit. It took a 22% stake in the company, and it was the first instance of a government entity teaming up with a stockbroking company. Following this unique development, once again the company made headlines in the same year with its IPO of Rs 9.5 million, making it the first stockbroking firm in India to come out with an IPO and making 1995 a landmark year in the company's history. A.P. Kurian joined the board as chairman of the company in the same year. 1995 also saw the company's entry into the National Stock Exchange. Its first NSE trading terminal at Kochi was inaugurated by Dr. R.H. Patil, Managing Director and founder of NSE. K. M. Chandrasekhar, Chairman of KSIDC, inaugurated Geojit's second NSE terminal at Trivandrum in 1996. In 1997, Geojit became one of the first depository participants in the country under National Securities Depository Limited. C.B. Bhave, founder NSDL, inaugurated the function at Kochi. In 1999, Geojit became the newest member of Asia's oldest stock exchange, the Bombay Stock Exchange Limited. The new millennium gifted the company with a horizon of achievements. In 2000, it became the first broking firm in the country to offer internet trading facility. This crowning achievement was inaugurated by the SEBI chairman, Mr. D.R. Mehta at Mumbai. Geojit was the first Kerala-based company to announce Employee Stock Option Plan in 2000, enabling employees of all levels to reap the benefits of this scheme. When NRIs became a significant part of the investor population, Geojit established joint venture partnerships in the Middle East and set up offices all over the region, offering personalized services to its NRI clientele. The first of these joint venture partnerships was in 2001 with the Al Saud Group forming Barjeel Geojit. Barjeel Geojit Securities is headquartered in Dubai and has branches in Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, Al Ain and Ras Al Khaimah. In 2001, the company decided to further exploit the developments in information technology to provide for securities settlement through the internet, that is, Speed E. It was inaugurated at Bangalore by C.B. Bhave, MD of NSDL. In 2002, Geojit became the first online brokerage house to launch integrated internet trading system for both cash and derivative segments. The SEBI chairman, G. N. Bajpai, inaugurated the service by punching the first order in Mumbai. In 2003, Geojit Securities Limited changed its name to Geojit Financial Services Limited. T.K. Nair, Chairman KSIDC, unveiled the new corporate logo of the company. When the commodity futures trading opened up, Geojit was the first broker in India to offer contracts in rubber, pepper, cardamom, wheat, rice, gold and silver through its terminals to its clients. In 2005, the company inaugurated its women's-only branch at Cochin, the first of its kind. Renowned Indian equity market investor Rakesh Jhunjhunwala took a significant stake in Geojit in 2005. In 2006, Geojit became the first Indian stockbroking company to enter into Saudi Arabia and commence capital market operations by inking a joint venture partnership with the Al Johar Group and became a member of the Riyadh Stock Exchange.
In 2007,
Geojit partnered with a global banking giant BNP Paribas, having operations in nearly 80 countries and over 2 lakh employees around the globe. The Economic Times, in its year-end issue of 31st December 2010, listed Geojit BNP Paribas among the 7 brands that emerged in the last decade. The others in the list were Infosys, Big Bazaar, Sensex, Simputer, Wine and Bollywood. In 2010, FlipMe, the award-winning mobile trading platform, was launched by Ravi Narayan, MD and CEO, NSE. FlipMe, the first mobile trading platform in the country, was developed in-house by Geojit Technologies Limited. Now, over 10% of trading transactions are done over mobile, while 40% via internet. The financial advisory services of Geojit BNP Paribas was launched the same year by UK Sinha, Chairman of the Unit Trust of India and the present Chairman of SEBI. C.J. George, along with the CEO of BNP Paribas, meeting with Dr. Manmohan Singh on the occasion of the 150th anniversary of BNP Paribas in India. In 2011, Geojit announced 2 joint ventures in the Middle East, QBG Securities in Oman and BBK Geojit Securities with the Bank of Bahrain and Kuwait in the Kingdom of Kuwait. 2012 witnessed Geojit BNP Paribas launching the Qualified Foreign Investors Investment Services. As a qualified depository participant, the company will cater to the investment needs of foreign investors through its network of joint ventures in UAE, Saudi Arabia, Oman, Kuwait and Bahrain. Today, Geojit BNP Paribas has over 650,000 clients, 533 offices, 3,000 employees and manages assets worth over rupees 12,000 crores. Employees of Geojit BNP Paribas have been privileged with the opportunity to interact with inspiring personalities. Dr. Abdul Kalam, Swami Jayendra Saraswati, Azim Premji, Dr. Kiran Bedi, M.T. Vasudevan Nair. The new 104,580 square feet Geojit BNP Paribas corporate office, which is a standing testimony to its 25 years of pioneering achievements in the capital market, is built to match the green building standards and is expected to consume 25% less energy than other conventional buildings, as it incorporates several energy-efficient features. This building will be the first gold-rated green building in Kochi city and will be a tribute to the company's values and the trust that it has earned from its customers. The company is looking forward to leading changes in the capital market while focusing on offering independent, transparent advice to investors.
Geojit BNP Paribas Savings and Investments.